Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about the 10 concepts that every chess player should know. After I read this list of 10 concepts, the goal is to learn and keep in mind the importance of these concepts that will help you play in a quality sense of the game. The first concept is about the saying, loose pieces drop off, which basically means if you have undefended pieces, or pieces that are not defended enough, they become vulnerable and can be taken by your opponent. But the moral of the story is basically you want to keep your pieces defended and away from danger if you can help it. Next concept is to control the center. This will benefit your ability to effectively develop your pieces and generate attacks. It is recommended for the majority of cases, to develop your pieces toward the center. Next up is to keep your king safe. Doesn't matter if you have an extra queen and 2 rooks, checkmate wins the game. And that is the only fact that they need to have you be losing the game. Scary, isn't it? It is a great habit to ask yourself, why did the opponent play the last move that he did? And you want to examine what is threatening to do, threatening a piece or checkmate. So you want to do your own plans, but don't turn a blind eye for your opponent's plans. Don't move the same piece twice. This is especially true during the opening. I know there's some exceptions, but the general rule is prefer to move each piece once and you have more time to develop other pieces. Only trade pieces if it benefits you. Sometimes people forget that they can refuse to trade and not play checkers, so where you have to take a piece if you're offered it. So keep your good pieces on the board and trade off your bad ones. Don't bring your queen out too early. So it's important to keep your queen safe and away from danger. So some openings break this rule, but I'm talking about in a general sense. It's important to develop your other pieces before your queen. It is important to make sure that your back rank is safe. Make sure that you don't get provoked to take a piece and your back rank is exposed to get a checkmate on you. So we want to create lift or make sure that your back rank is defended. Do not make too many pawn moves in the opening. So the pawns can be used to create an opening structure and control key squares. But it's also important to develop your other pieces and have your king be safe with maybe castling. And the final concept to keep in mind is to assume that your opponent will play the best move. It's very tempting to play a trick move and hope that your opponent falls over a trap. But in general, if your opponent has plenty of time to think things over, it's probably best not play hope chess. And thank you for watching. I would greatly appreciate it if you were to support my new and growing channel by leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.